What is up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So Marathon Patent Group, also known as, I like to call it, MARA, is getting slammed today. It's down about 14%, and the past couple of days, it's down even more than that. And I've been getting so many questions. Stas, should I buy Marathon Patent Group? Should I sell it? Stay away from it? Should I buy Bitcoin? Bitcoin's crashing. What should we do? I want to talk about that in today's video very quickly for you guys. So if you all enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, make sure to get yourself into the Strive Smart Discord chat, the Facebook group, get yourself 4 free stocks from WeBull and $30 free from M1 Finance. All of those again are free and linked right down below in the description box. So first and foremost, what is Marathon Patent Group? Well, it's a crypto play. It actually mines cryptocurrency. It's a company that mines cryptocurrency, and we see gold companies doing this, right? Gold miners out there that mine gold, and there's also obviously miners that mine Bitcoin, digital gold as others like to call it, and a lot of the gold bugs, they hate Bitcoin, but we're not going to talk about that in today's video. But Mara is a mining company, right? A digital currency mining company. And this really goes hand in hand with the price of Bitcoin. I mean, take a look. Ever since Bitcoin has gone parabolic, so has Mara, right? This stock has gone from about $4 back in the middle of November, and it hit $30, guys. So that is what, like a 5, 6, 7x increase there. And since then, $29, which was back on the 11th, 10th of this month, January, it's cratered. It's down over what? Let's take a look now. It's down about 45%. 45%. And today it's down 14%. The other day, yesterday, it was down like 15%. And again, a lot of people are asking me, Stas, is it time to buy? So this is not really a fundamental video. We're not going over the fundamentals of Marathon, Bitcoin. We're not talking about that. We're going to be focusing more on the technicals. And based on these technicals I'm seeing here, I think it's approaching, in my opinion, a buy. And I'm not going to tell you guys to buy anything, of course, because that's not what I'm doing here. You must do your own research, your own due diligence. But I think it's interesting. Let's put it that way. And I actually nibbled a little bit. I have some skin in the game here. I bought 150 shares at about $16.55 today, about a $3,000 roughly position. And this is not a position that is very big for me. In fact, this is more of a speculative play, right? I already own some Bitcoin in itself, you know, the cryptocurrency. I own some of that, but I figured let me get some skin in the game in a mining company that mines Bitcoin, and this is the opportunity, in my personal opinion. And I added some shares, and I'm fully aware that we could go lower, right? And based on these technicals here on the 4-hour, where could we be going? Maybe closer to that 180 SMA here. And we've seen in the past couple of pull downs, we've pulled down the most previous one back in the end of 2020. We went from $15 to $10. That was about a 30% pull down. And where did we hold? We held that 180 SMA, and we rallied off of that point. And again, at this point in time, we're getting pretty close to those highs from back in the end of December, right around $14.75, $15. And again, that 180 SMA on this 4-hour chart as well. So I think the closer and closer we get here, it's more attractive. And me, again, I bought about 150 shares. I'm in this. I have skin in the game, and I'm fully aware that this could go lower. And the idea with my personal position, guys, is I'm not looking to have more than 300 shares, right? So if it were to go down to $14, maybe $15, let's say hypothetically, that is where I'd probably buy another 150 to double up my position. And at that point, I'm going to let it ride, right? At that point, I'm going to let it ride. And another thing worth noting is it's still a falling knife, right? We're still not at a potential, or I don't want to say that, but It could be the bottom, but the technicals aren't showing us that it is the bottom quite yet. I mean, this 5-day, 5-minute chart, we're clearly still in a downtrend. So honestly, a break out of $18, $19 would be a good sign that we're officially reversing to the upside. And until then, again, we are still in this downtrend. So Mara, guys, is very interesting. This is definitely a more of a speculative play, as cryptocurrency in general, it's not the safest thing, let's be honest. So if you're looking at this, I personally wouldn't put a ton of money into it. Obviously it's all relative to people out there. $3,000 to me is not that much, honestly, guys, but to you that might be a lot. So maybe you don't want to put $3,000 into it. Maybe you want to put in $500. It's all relative, right? And comparing it to Bitcoin, again, remember, like I said, this is it's correlated to the price of Bitcoin. Let me show you guys this trading view chart here. I want to see if you can actually see it. Let me pop this up. Actually, you can't see it yet. Hold up. Take a look at this, guys. Can you see it now? There we go. Take a look. This is trading view, and this is the price of Bitcoin over the past 5 days. This is the 5-day chart here on Bitcoin, and you can see it's gone from about $35,000 down to about $31,300 now, where it's currently at. And today it's down 11%, which is why Mara is cratering. And if we go back to this 3-month chart on Bitcoin, you guys can see right around 30K, this is a very big level of support. I mean, we hit 30K back on the 4th of January. We rallied from there all the way to 42K. That was a nice pop of about 20-25% there in Bitcoin. We retraced from there. You guys remember it dropped like 20%. I actually bought Bitcoin during this drop as well, so I picked up some Bitcoin there. And then also at that drop, after that drop, it held, you guessed it, 31,000, and we rallied right back up to about 40K, and now we're about to test yet again 31,000, which I think if this can hold on Bitcoin and we start going back up to the mid 30,000s, that is where we're going to see, obviously, like I said, it's correlated to Mara. That is where we're going to see a big pop in Mara, probably over $20 a share. So yeah, guys, and we can see now Bitcoin's climbing back up. It's up to it is down 11%, but earlier it was down like 13%. So we'll see, guys. This is critical. I think if Bitcoin can hold 30K, get to 35 plus K, that is going to be a good sign for Mara, and we should be able to pull in some sweet old profits if that were to happen. So me, guys, I'm pretty bullish on Bitcoin, and again, I own it. I've mentioned this before. I've made videos on it. I own Bitcoin, and now I kind of want to get a little bit into these mining companies because I don't have any crypto stocks, right? There's a lot of crypto stocks out there. I don't own any of those. I only own Bitcoin. So I figure this is the opportunity for me to strike, to get into Mara here and, ride it out. And I'm not looking at this so much as a buy and hold forever type of investment. This is honestly more of a swing trade. I mean, I'm looking to get out of this probably anywhere $20 plus, maybe even 25, who knows? We're going to hold on to this thing, and yeah, that's the whole idea. And like I said earlier, I'm going to get into it more if it ends up going down to $15, maybe $14, $15, and that's the goal. That's the goal. So that is it, guys. I mean, that's a quick little update video on Mara. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you guys are doing. And yeah, I mean, one last thing we could talk about is this is what you should look for when you want to make money. The idea is not to buy in when it's hot, not to buy in when it's peaking. I mean, a lot of people do that. They buy at the wrong times. The idea is to buy when there's a lot of red, when there's blood in the water, and that's what we're seeing now. Again, it's down 50% pretty much over the past couple of days. And yeah, I mean, if you're a risk taker, if this is something that you're interested in, now is the time to strike. But as always, you must do your own research, do your own due diligence. That is very important, and we'll wrap it up there. If you all enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Make sure to get yourself into that Strive Smart Discord chat, the Facebook group. Get yourself 4 stocks from WeBull. Those are valued up to $1,600, and you can get $30 from M1 Finance. That's free $30, a free $30, and all you have to do is open up accounts with both of those, deposit $100 into WeBull, and literally any amount you want into M1 Finance, and you get that free money. And again, all of those are linked right down below. So I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. As always, keep crushing the markets, guys. Peace out.